Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So we have the formula in here. So capital of 8, that is about this one. So we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put the limit going here. So we have the formula. So this is about capital of 8. This is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put S go like this. Next, I will divide by S on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by s, you got number 0, 0 and 0. And number 1, you got number 0. So that means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. So that means I will select about this one. So we know that we have the formula. So we need to transform this one into this one. Later that we can do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have 1 over s minus 1. This one that is about 1 over s plus number 1. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. And we put negative s squared going here. Now we can do about common denominator. So this one will multiply by s plus number 1. This one by s minus number 1. So this one we have negative s to the power of 3 minus s squared. This one that is about s to the power of 3 minus s squared. So we combine two fractions and we have negative 2s squared. This one that is about s squared minus 1. Later that we divide s squared on numerator and denominator. When s approaches to positive infinity, This one you got number 0. And we have negative number 2. That means the value of this one that is about negative number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.